frontier of the coffee experience is Ground Control. Winner of the Specialty Coffee Association's Best New Product Award, Control Cyclops doesn't just make a better cup of coffee, it's a new exploration of coffee artistry. What makes Cyclops Batch Brewer different is its unique vacuum immersion brewing process. With Cyclops, new flavors and nuances will soar out of your cup. Cyclops runs grounds through a series of mini brews, using fresh water for each cycle. These are then blended together to form the final beverage, pulling out different and more balanced layers of flavor. This patented process allows you to extract more of the desirable attributes of coffee, leaving behind no trace of bitterness. This is made possible through the easy-to-use interface and recipe development framework. Cyclops isn't just limited to coffee either. This opens up a new world of possibilities for craft tea and cacao beverages. With this refined tool, hand-built in the USA, you will launch your beverage program into new orbit. Consistently extract the full flavor potential from each and every brew. Experience your coffee like never before. Ground Control Cyclops.